Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Saw this on Dig. Never have to open an image link again. That sounded interesting, so I went and check it out. Here it is, shifting pixel, and we'll go ahead and follow the instructions. Lightbox, Greasemonkey. I already have a Greasemonkey installed down here. It is enabled. So Grease Lightbox. Download instruction. Make sure blah blah blah. If you installed, download Grease Lightbox. I think I can just load it from here. Install user script. Right click. Install user script. Downloading user script. Installed successfully. Okay. So I kill my instance of Firefox, and we'll go ahead and start it up again. Where's my Firefox? There it is. And the easiest way for me to go test this is to go to Google Images and do a search. Let's say cat. Search for a cat. And I'm not quite sure what's supposed to happen when I click on it. Build gallery, stumble, delicious. Copy image location, go up, go up, go up. Well, I'm not quite sure what it's supposed to do. Rock images, save link, stumble upon, delicious. What else? Ah, click on the image, duh. And there's a picture. How cool is that? Although we're getting some, what is that? Some, click on it to go off. Try that again. Ah, I see what's happening. It's picking up the edge of the mouse, or the edge of the cursor. So if I click off, it's always going to show up. Well, pretty cool anyway. Lots of fun to be had, especially for you image people. I wonder if it'll work on Zoomer. Because Zoomer has something very similar already built in. You don't have to click on anything. You just, or actually on Zoomer you have to click on something. Let's see if it works. Waiting for Zoomer to load. It's been rather slow recently. Okay, let's try that again. Just hit the escape key. See if I can reload the page. I can't access Flickr because I'm in a part of the world that blocks Flickr. If you have any technical skills whatsoever and any curiosity about how things work or how culture functions, I would not recommend coming to this part of the country. So let's try a search for cat. And we're searching, I think. Okay, search. Can't see any indication of anything happening. Oh, we'll try that. Cat, go. And now it's spinning. Let's see. Waiting. It's really slow. Really slow. Really slow. Okay, I'm done. So, thank you for watching. This has been a quick tutorial on using the Greasemonkey extension for, let's see, what do we have? Grease Lightbox. Where is the Grease Lightbox 2.14? Live webcam, humans evolve, motherboard. Actually, I tagged it, so I just go back to my tags and give you the link again. Gosh, it seems really slow. Really slow. Okay, Grease Lightbox, Shifting Pixel, Joe Lentione. Here it is, shiftingpixel.com lightbox. He's already done his own tutorial here. It's a Flash 8. I want to know what he used to create that. If he used Wink. It looks maybe like a Wink product. Can't tell. Anyway, there it is. Have fun. Happy computing.